In this example, we have a nested recursive call here, and again, two base cases. When x is greater than 1, we do a nested function call for x minus 2, the function of x minus 2 plus 1. When x is equal to 1, it's a base case, the value is 2. When x is equal to 0, the return value is 1. You can see the pseudocode form does the same thing. X comes in. If it's greater than 1, we do this nested call. Otherwise, if x is equal to 1, we return 2. Otherwise, we return 1. So let's find the function of 6. Since it's greater than 1, we do this double call, this nested call. The function of, and 6 minus 2 is 4. And we add 1 to that final result. So let's go find the function of 4. The function of 4 is still greater than 1, so we do this nested call again with 2. Now the function of 2 again is greater than 1. It's the function of 0. So we have 3 nested calls stacked up here. Well, we need to find the function of 0, which is a base case. So when x is equal to 0, the answer is 1. So now we can replace this with 1, but that still leaves us with this one. So we have the function of 1 plus 1, and that's as far as we can go. So let's find the function of 1. Another base case. When x is equal to 1, the answer is 2. So now we can replace this with a 2. So the final answer to the function of 2 is 3. So now we can put the 3 here, and that's the function of 3 plus 1. But now we need to go find the function of 3. Again, greater than 1, so we do this nested call again with 1. We already know the function of 1 since we found it up here, so we can just go straight to that, and that's the function of 2. We've already found the function of 2, which is 3, so that's 3 plus 1 is 4. So the function of 3 is 4. So now we can put 4 right up here and make that 5. So the function of 4 is 5. Well, we can replace this and say the function of 5 plus 1, but we don't know the function of 5. So let's go find the function of 5. Well, that's another nested call. The function of 3 plus 1. We know the function of 3 because we found it. It's 4. So it's the function of 4 plus 1. We already know the function of 4, which is 5. So that's 5 plus 1, which is 6. So the function of 5 is 6. And add 1 to that, and we get 7. So the function of 6 is 7.